Fearless gangs don't die, they rise from the shadows. The city thought it was over. But vengeance never sleeps.
In a city ruled by fear, only the fearless survive, as gangs wear loading weapons, drones flying, cars burning, two gangs, steel wolves and shadow vultures, clash in a war with no mercy. Gunshots bang bang, flashes of fire, men diving for cover. Bullets tear the night, drones hunt from the skies, and this is more than a fight, it's survival. Slow motion, Ghost charging through smoke, Dante firing dual pistols. Victor Ghost Kane, fearless to the bone, against Dante Black Fang, a man born for blood. Shotgun blast, boom, sparks fly, enemies fall. Ghost walking away from flames, city sirens in the background. Fearless gangs don't die, they rise from the shadows. The city thought it was over, but vengeance never sleeps. The vultures rise again, fueled by blood and ready to hunt the wolves. Text on screen, fearless gangs, fearless AI.